Honey, look what I bought. I've put up with your fooling around outside, but today you actually brought her home.
Don't forget your place. Didn't you already sell yourself to me?
Sis, you're the wife that Brother Yan bought for 2 million, right?
That price should be enough to keep you humble for life, shouldn't it? Remember, you're just something I bought. Who I bring home is none of your business.
Brother Yan, look at her face so sour. Is she trying to play the victim to get sympathy?
That just makes me sick.
But Fu Qian, back then, when I asked you for money, it wasn't what I wanted.
Honey, our family's bankrupt.
Don't get upset. So what if we're bankrupt? I'll figure out a way to pay off the debt, okay?
But how are you gonna pay back 2 million?
Dad, don't worry. As long as you're alive, we'll pay it off together, slowly.
Really?
Really?
Hey,
Qian, didn't you want to marry me? I agree.
really, Susu?
But you have to give me 2 million before I marry you.
2 million? You mean you want me to buy you out for 2 million?
Yes,
Fine. Deal.
Fu Qian. So, from that moment on, you just saw me as your personal property.
Miss Sue. Miss Sue, you have a threatened miscarriage. It's very serious. You're still short $14 for the medication. If you can't pay, we can't dispense the miscarriage prevention medicine.
Nurse, can you please give me the medicine first? I'm begging you. I'll definitely pay it back. Please save my baby.
Hospital policy. We can't release the medicine even if you're a cent short. Call your husband to come pay. If you wait any longer, you'll lose the baby.
Right. And my husband. Qian, I'm having a threatened miscarriage. I'm at the hospital. Can you lend me $14 for the miscarriage medication? I'll pay you back.
$14. Su Qingxi. The money I was supposed to give you. I already gave it all to you, didn't I? $2 million isn't enough for you. What? You've gotten addicted to being a gold digger? Now you're even using a miscarriage. As a trick?
Qian, I didn't.
Miss Sue, if you don't get the miscarriage medication soon, your baby might.
Alipay, $14 received.
Forget the medication. Please arrange an abortion for me.
The abortion procedure also requires payment. A standard abortion plus post-op anti-inflammatory. Your current account balance isn't enough. Even with this $14, you're still short $371.
Okay. I'll gather the surgery fee right away. Fu Qian, since you don't believe me, then say goodbye to our child. Forever. Sorry to bother everyone. I urgently need to have a surgery. I'm still short $371. I'll definitely pay it back later.
Oh, if it isn't the famous gold digger Sue. $2 million spent already? Barefacedly begging like a beggar.
What do you want? Go make some money. Su Qingxi. Don't forget, I've already spent $2 million to buy out the rest of your life. From now on, your time and freedom belong to me.
After that, Fu Qian blacklisted me from all job opportunities. He confiscated all my bank cards, completely cut off my means of survival.
Take it, beggar. Consider it a tip for us enjoying cursing you out.
Hello, I'd like to pay. Please arrange the surgery as soon as possible.
Miss Sue, do you want painless anesthesia? Painless costs an extra $500.
No, I'm not afraid of pain. Just do it.
Miss Sue, then.
Su Qingxi, where the hell have you been? Out all day fooling around. If you dare hurt the baby in your belly, I'll make the entire Su family pay with their lives.
Miss Sue, your husband doesn't know yet about you getting an abortion.
What? Abortion?
Oh,
I see. What scheme have you come up with now? Trying to trick me out of my money again, huh?
Think whatever you want.
Without anesthesia, it'll be very painful. Are you sure you can handle it?
When we have a child in the future, I will love you with all my life. I'll never let you suffer any grievance.
No more, Fukian. I don't want anything anymore. Money, love, and people, I don't want any of it.
Have you heard? This is Mr. Fu of the Fu Corporation. He's setting off fireworks specially for his sweetheart.
Oh, sweetheart? More like his mistress. That's called a mistress. Mr. Fu has a wife. But I heard his wife is a gold digger. Now she's worse off than a servant.
Nurse, please help me check out.
But you just had surgery. Can your body handle being discharged now?
It's okay, I can manage.
Sister is back. Sister, where's my candied hawthorn?
What? What candied hawthorn?
Stop playing dumb. Didn't I send you a message? Telling you to stop by on your way back and buy Yanyan a candied hawthorn.
My phone was off. If you want one, go buy it yourself.
What did you say? What? Wanting money again, huh? Didn't I just give you $14? Isn't that enough for a candied hawthorn?
My phone was off. Can't you see?
I don't care if it's off or not. Now, immediately. Go buy it right now. If you can't buy it, don't come back. Guards, get her out of here. Why did it take so long just to buy a candied hawthorn? 60.
Su Qingxi, are you out of your mind? Couldn't you find somewhere warm?
This is.
Am I dead? Did she wait here for me all night?
Awake. Finally can't keep up the act, Su Qingxi. I really underestimated you. It was just asking you to buy a candied hawthorn. Did you have to put on an act in front of me? What? Want the world to know you're pregnant? And almost froze to death at the Fu family's doorstep? So you can demand more money? You really don't value your life. After all that, you still won't die. Spit it out. How much do you want for your performance this time? 100,000 or 500,000?
Fu Qian, what exactly do you want? Do you have to crush my last shred of dignity before you're satisfied?
Where's the family doctor? Why isn't he here yet? Don't let her die at the Fu residence.
Fu Qian,
What trick are you trying to pull now?
let's get a divorce.
Divorce? Fine by me. You pay me back the 2 million, then I'll agree to the divorce.
That money. I'll find a way to pay you back later. I really don't have it right now.
Then, shut up. You think I don't know? What you're up to? Do you think that carrying my child in your belly gives you leverage? So you're deliberately using divorce to manipulate me? Trying to get a big payout again, aren't you?
Fu Qian, what kind of person do you take me for?
A gold digger who only cares about money.
You think I care about your money? You think I care about this child?
What do you mean?
Our child. She's already. Our child. She's already.
Mr. Fu, Miss San is pregnant.
Are you sure she's really pregnant?
Yan Gege, do you really not want me to carry your child?
Of course not. Just afraid it might be a misdiagnosis.
I knew Yan Gege is the best. Sister, you're awake. Sister, when you fainted yesterday, you really scared me. Yan Gege, I'm pregnant. Aren't you going to reward me?
Fine. What do you want? I'll buy you anything today. From that day on, Fu Qian let Sun Yanyan move in.
Sis, didn't I say I wanted pigeon soup? Why is it still chicken soup?
Su Qingxi, didn't you hear what Yanyan said? Go to the kitchen and take the live pigeons that just arrived and kill them. Stew a pot of soup and bring it up.
Yan. Sis might be upset because I'm pregnant. She's not happy about it.
I see. You want money again, don't you? Fine, I'll give it to you. Go make a bowl of pigeon soup, 20,000. Are you going or not?
Deal.
Qian, you're humiliating sis with money like this, treating her like a servant. Won't she get angry? What if she poisons the soup?
Don't worry, as long as you pay enough, she'd even give up her life. A woman as greedy and vain as her, I believe she has no dignity at all.
Then, Yan, from now on, we should give sis more rewards, okay? Since I was little, I've never experienced having my feet washed.
Fine. From now on, I'll have her wash your feet specially.
As long as I save up 2 million, I can say goodbye to Fu Qian for good. From that day on, I became Sun Yanyan's personal servant. Serving tea and water, 30,000 each time. Washing Sun Yanyan's feet, 50,000 each time. The water temperature is fine, Miss Sunday.
It's so hot, sis. Isn't the water temperature way too high? Are you trying to scald me and the baby in my belly?
Su Qingxi can't even wash feet properly. If it's like this next time, don't even think about the 50,000.
Qian, let's go upstairs and sleep.
Okay.
Sometimes when Fu Qian was in the mood, he'd make me listen outside the door, 80,000 each time.
Qian, go easy, don't disturb sis outside.
At first, hearing those sounds, I felt disgusted, but now, those sounds in my ears are just installments that can help me pay off the 2 million income.
Su Qingxi, Yanyan is thirsty. Bring a glass of water in.
Mr. Fu, here's the water you asked for.
Su Qingxi, get out of here. Su Qingxi, do you even have a heart? You watch your husband sleep with another woman in the same bed. And you don't even make a scene. You obediently hand him water. How pathetic are you? Do you not have even a shred of shame left in you?
Mr. Fu, this is just a transaction between us. As long as the money's right, I'll watch whatever you want. As for shame, when you bought my life for 2 million, I lost that a long time ago.
Get out. Get the hell out. Mom, Dad. We still need 400,000. Once I scrape together the 2 million and pay her back, I can finally divorce her cleanly. Then I can come home.
Qian, look, it's snowing.
Yeah, it is.
I saw online that if two people in love go watch the snow at Nanshan observation deck together, they'll grow old together. Qian, will you go with me, please?
All right, since you want to go, we'll go. Never mind Nanshan, if you want, I'll even pluck the stars from the sky for you.
Then I'll go upstairs and change. Oh, sister, why are you dressed so lightly? Shoveling snow? How pitiful. Qian, maybe we should tell sister to stop shoveling.
Don't worry about her. She's the one who wants to be a fool and do hard labor. Who's stopping her? Su Qingxi, do you really not care about me at all? Don't you care about this relationship at all?
Still need 400,000. Just a little more. Once I earn this 400,000, it'll all be over.
Oh, Qian, my necklace is missing.
Which necklace?
The one from my birthday last month, the one you spent 14 million on at the auction for me. That sapphire necklace. I specifically wore it out today. I must have accidentally left it at the South Mountain Lookout. Sis, I'm pregnant now, and it's snowing so hard outside. There's no way I can go. The bodyguards are all clumsy, they won't find it. Could you please, sis, go to the lookout and look for me?
Mr. Fu, there's a blizzard outside. The roads are all icy. The car can't make it up. You'd have to walk. Walking up the mountain in the middle of the night could kill you.
400,000. Su Qingxi. Go find Yan Yan's necklace. I'll give you 400,000. You in?
I'm in. Can't stop. Still need 400,000. The last 400,000. Finally found it.
400,000. Su Qingxi. Go find Yan Yan's necklace. I'll give you 400,000. You in?
14 million in love and 400,000 for a life. Fuqian, you're so generous. It's over. As long as I take this necklace back to Fuqian, I won't owe her anything anymore.
Found the necklace? Then get your ass back here.
Help! Help! Is anyone there? Help me! Fuqian, here's the 2 million I owe you, and the miscarriage report for our child. Now I don't owe you anything.
Su. Why are you back so late? Where's your wife?
Mr. Fu. The missus. She still hasn't come down the mountain. I've been calling her, but it's off. The snow's too thick at the foot. The rescue team says they can't get in.
Didn't come down all night? Phone's off. Got her 400,000, is that not enough, or? Could she have taken the money and run? I knew it. That bitch only cares about money. Should have only given you 100,000. See if you dare not come back then. No way, absolutely no way. Call a helicopter. Call all rescue teams. Find her at any cost.
Yes, sir. I'll contact them right away.
Brother Yan, what's all the noise about so early? You woke me up. Why isn't sister back yet? It's been a whole night. Could something have happened on her way down the mountain?
Oh. She's in trouble. Are you happy about that?
Of course. If sister never comes back, then brother Chien will be all mine. I think I just saw the news. An unidentified female body. Could it be Sister Sue? Brother Chien, you hate her so much. Seeing her dead, you must be thrilled, right?
Thrilled? She's not dead. She won't die. If you hadn't insisted on making her go to Nanshan to find that necklace, none of this would have happened.
Brother Chien, let go.
Who do you think you are? How dare you curse my wife to death?
Don't you love me the most?
Love? You? You're not even fit to be compared to her.
You can't treat me like this. But I'm carrying your child. This is the Fu family's own blood. Even if you're mad at me now, are you going to abandon your own flesh and blood?
The child you're carrying is not mine at all.
How? How do you know?
Ever since Su Qingxi got pregnant, to avoid harming her health, I secretly got a vasectomy without telling anyone, so the child in your belly could never be mine. Also, do you think I don't know about your broke college boyfriend?
You knew all along? Why didn't you expose me?
Because to me, you simply don't matter. I didn't call you out because you're insignificant. Who's the bastard in your belly? I don't give a damn. I kept you around only because your eyes and brows look a bit like Su Qingxi. You're just like the other women before. Just a tool I used to piss off her.
A tool? So I was just your tool to piss off Su Qingxi. But Fu Qian, Su Qingxi's death, wasn't the culprit you?
Say that again.
Isn't it true? You never loved her. You just can't stand that she's no longer under your control. Can't stand that she died so resolutely. Now you're putting all the blame on me just to make yourself feel better, right?
You're asking for it. I'll kill you today.
Mr. Fu, the police station has news. That female corpse is not your wife. Not your wife.
So she's still alive, isn't she? She's not dead. My Qingxi is alive.
Theoretically speaking, that's correct. We've deployed hundreds of people and spent a fortune on the most professional search and rescue team to comb the mountain.
Any news so far? Have you found Susu? Is she still alive?
Well, we haven't found any trace of your wife yet. But we've mobilized all resources and expanded the search scale.
Prepare the car, I'm going to Nanshan. Immediately mobilize everyone you can and send them there. Helicopters, search dogs, thermal images at all costs. Even if we have to turn Nanshan upside down, find her for me.
Yes, Mr. Fu.
Qingxi. Su Qingxi, where are you?
Mr. Fu. Mr. Fu, the snow is too heavy. The temperature is minus 10-something degrees. In this environment, a person who just had surgery, with no money on them, the probability of survival is almost zero.
Who says she can't survive? She must be alive. She's waiting for me to rescue her. Keep searching. Qingxi. Don't be afraid. I will find you. Qingxi. Are you cold? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. As long as you come back alive, I'll do anything you want. Sixty. You'll be fine.
Mr. Fu, look. Miss Su must have fallen right here. With the rocks and branches breaking her fall, she managed to catch her breath. But the rescue is extremely difficult. The chance of survival.
Shut up. What do you mean, chance of survival is slim? She's alive. Find her. Keep searching. Six-eye this ring. I designed it for you myself. From now on, you are Fu Qian's wife, the ring. She never took it off. Even when she couldn't afford medicine, she wouldn't pawn it. Now she left it here. No.
Mr. Fu, watch out. There's a cliff below.
XIC, come back. Take the ring with you. You, take it.
Mr. Fu, you haven't slept in 2 weeks. The rescue team, as soon as there's news, I'll notify you immediately. You should go home and rest.
Home? No, I'm not going home. Everywhere I see her. Every time I close my eyes, I see her. She's standing in the living room waiting for me, but when I reach out, she's gone. I can't go back. I can't face the house without her. I can't face the house without her. Her clothes are all old styles from years ago. On her dresser, just a few bottles of the cheapest moisturizer from the supermarket. If she really married me for money, why, after 3 years, did she live so frugally? Bankruptcy, right. She said her family went bankrupt. That 2 million was to save their lives. The Su family. Her parents are still alive. She must have gone home.
Mr. Fu, where are you going?
Sixty. So, for these 3 years, your parents have been living in a place like this?
Who is it? Xiao Fu is here. Come in, have a seat. Xiao Fu, have some hot water. It's cold outside. Drink some water to warm up.
Mom. Has Zixi come home?
Shishi, what happened to Shishi? She hasn't been back for a long time. Xiao Fu, tell me honestly, has something happened to Shishi?
She hasn't come home. She has no money on her. No phone. Zixi, where could you go?
Xiao Fu, what's going on? Where did Sixie go?
It's nothing, Mom and Dad. Don't worry. We just had a little disagreement. She's stubborn. She got mad at me and ran off. I thought she went back to your place. Since she's not here, I'll be going now. I'll look somewhere else. She must be at a friend's house.
Xiao Fu. Shishi has always been stubborn since she was little. But she only shares the good news, never the bad. In these 3 years of marriage, she never wanted to tell us about any grievances. If she made you angry, please be more understanding.
Mom, I'm sorry. It's my fault for not taking good care of her. Mom, there's some money in here. Enough to buy a spacious, bright house in this city. You and Dad take it. Move to a better place.
Xiao Fu, what are you doing? Put the card away. Old man. Go to the back room and take out that thing under the pillow.
Xiao Fu, take a look at this.
What is this? This is.
Over the past 3 years, your uncle and I haven't had a single day of rest. I went to the market to help people pick vegetables and wash dishes. Your uncle went to construction sites to carry sandbags and collect cardboard. I didn't dare spend a single extra cent. All the money we saved is right here. It's still not enough to cover the 2 million you helped us get through that crisis. But take this bank book first.
No, I can't take it. Mom, no, take it. Mom, I'm sorry, I was wrong. I really didn't know you guys.
Take it. The rest of the hundreds of thousands, your uncle and I will, even if it costs us our lives, slowly pay it off. We old folks may not have much ability, but we will definitely pay you back, every single cent, not a penny less.
Su Qingxi, I'm sorry. I'm not even human, I'm a monster.
Xiao Fu, Mom is begging you.
Mom, please don't.
Xiao Fu, she truly loves you. Think of all the grievances she endured for you, all the hardships she went through. She never told us a single word about it. Hey, Xiao Fu, If you find Shishi, you must let us know. Co Fu.
60. I will find you.
You're awake. You're really lucky to be alive. If it weren't for those hikers who spotted you, you'd have frozen into an ice statue by now. Miss Sue, your medical bills are overdue. The hospital is pressing for payment. Could you contact your family?
Nurse, I don't have any family to contact. This bracelet is solid gold. Could you please help me find a pawn shop or gold store to sell it? The money can cover the medical bills.
Well, maybe you can think of another way?
It's okay. It's just something from the past. I don't need it anymore.
All right. If you say so.
Mom.
My Shishi. It really is my Shishi. It's good that you're back. My daughter is back. That's all that matters.
That day, Mom and I talked a lot. From the wedding to the past few days, Fu Qian came to the house. I've never felt so at ease. It's like everything before was just a dream. Now I've finally woken up.
XIC. It's really you. You didn't die. That's great, that's great.
I didn't manage to die. Sorry to disappoint you.
No, XIC. I was wrong, I know everything now. I went to your house. I found out about your family. And I know you never married me for money. I'm such a beast. I was blinded by greed. I almost got you killed. Sixty. Will you come home with me? With me, nothing will happen to you. I will never let you suffer even a little again. I swear on my life. From now on, I'll give you my life.
Fu Qian, get up. Don't block everyone's way here.
XISI, will you come home with me? XIC. What does this mean?
Exactly what it says. I was planning to mail it to you tomorrow. Since you came yourself today. Just sign it now.
Don't be like this. Let's talk properly. I don't want to divorce you.
About that $2 million in bride price. The $2 million I paid you back before counts as the principal. What my parents paid you back counts as interest. We're completely even now.
I don't want the money. I never actually. I wanted that money. That was the bride price. I gave it to you willingly. 60. Don't treat me like this.
Willingly. Fu Qian. That was a contract that stripped me of my dignity. But it's okay. Now I've already died once. I don't owe you anything. I think for the past 3 years, you brought other women home. You forced me to look for a necklace in a snowstorm. The humiliation, the torment, the deep, unforgettable wounds. Don't you think that's enough? So, this messy debt is settled between us. You can sign the divorce papers now. We were over long ago. Hello, who is this?
60. You're willing to take my call? That's great.
The trial is tomorrow, Fu Qian. We should end this.
Yeah, it should end. This past month, every day when I close my eyes, all I see is you, desperately calling for help in the snow. As long as I'm alive, every second is agony. I can't take it anymore. Sixy, if there's a next life, would you be willing to give me another chance? Sixy, if there's a next life, would you be willing to give me another chance?
No.
Miss Sue, I regret to inform you. Mr. Fu last night at Nanshan jumped off the mountaintop and died. This is the will he made before his death. He left all of his shares in the Fu Group, overseas assets, properties, and cash, totaling tens of billions in net assets, unreservedly left entirely to you. From now on, you are the sole legal heir to these assets.
Okay, I understand. Please help me with the procedures. Donate 80% of the assets to the National Fund for Impoverished Women. The remaining 20% goes into this account. I will use it to pay off all the principal and interest of the debts.
Okay, Miss Sue. If there's nothing else, I'll take my leave now.
The cage that trapped me has finally completely collapsed.